The next thing that you're going to have to consider when you're choosing a unit from LaVivid is, of course, the color. There is over 60 colors that LaVivid has that you can choose from to match up to your hair with varying degrees of gray if you need that. Now, how do you actually match your hair color up with one of those colors? Now, there's two ways that LaVivid provides at this current moment. Number one is you can actually buy a color ring from them. And what this will allow you to do is match up directly with your current hair to find exactly the right color. That's actually what I did. I got the color ring and I had someone help me figure out what the perfect match was. I started whittling it down from the 60 and I said, okay, my hair is not black. I took 10 of the colors out. I said, okay, my hair isn't very, very light blonde. Let's take those out. And I started whittling it down to about 5 until we finally got to a judgment and decided what the correct color was for me. And sometimes it gets very, very subtle. So that's a good option. Now, the other way that you can go about doing this is you can actually send a lock of hair directly to LaVivid and they will get the perfect match for you. Once they have your hair color, they will dye a hair system to perfectly match your hair color so that there is zero discrepancy out there. This is a great option if you want LaVivid to take care of you, the professionals to take care of your hair system through the entire process. If I didn't have my friend help me with finding the perfect color for me, I would have actually taken this option. I'm actually partially colorblind, so figuring out the exact correct color for me would have been very, very tough and I would have relied on them. So whichever of those two options you take, we're gonna make sure that you have the perfect hair color that is absolutely undistinguishable from your natural hair.